Fill in the blanks. My next-door neighbor, Mrs. Jones, has a garden full of flowers. A crazy path, a lily pond, a rockery, and just beyond, a sundial with a strange device, which Mrs. Jones thinks rather nice. Mrs. Jones puts little plants between the stones. The plants are so delicate and small. I can't think how she gets them in, unless she plants them with a pin. Mrs. Jones once asked me round to see her rockery. Note, your image has stones, but the poem specifically mentions the rockery here. We stood and talked about a flower for quite a quarter of an hour. Where is this lovely thing? I cried. You're standing on it, she replied. The poem was written by Reginald Arkell. See true or false. No. Statement, answer, reason. 1. Mrs. Jones has a garden full of flowers. T. Correct. 2. There is a lily pond in Mrs. Jones's garden. T. Correct. 3. Mrs. Jones thinks the sundial looks strange and unpleasant. F. She thinks it is rather nice. For Mrs. Jones puts little plants between the stones. T. Correct. 5. The little plants are big and strong. F. They are delicate and small. 6. The poet thinks Mrs. Jones plants the flowers with a pin. T. Correct. 7. Mrs. Jones invited the poet to see her dog. F. She invited him to see her rockery. 8. They talked about a flower for 15 minutes. T. A quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. 9. The poet stepped on the flower without realizing it. T. Correct. 10. The poet's neighbor is named Mrs. Brown. F. Her name is Mrs. Jones.